We have some news just coming in. The opposition is up in arms over post-poll markets crash. TMC and Aghadi camp to file a complaint to the SEBI in a significant development. Statements made by Home Minister Amit Shah regarding the stock market just ahead of election results have stirred a controversy, leading to possible action. Today at 11 o'clock, members of Parliament belonging to the India Alliance Bloc Coalition are scheduled to file a formal complaint with the Securities and Exchange Board of India or SEBI. Prior to their planned submission, the India Aghadi's MPs convened at the Silver Oak residence of Sharad Pawar. This crucial meeting was attended by key figures, including Trinamool MP Saket Gokhale, Kalyan Banerjee, Sagarika Ghosh. Arvind Sawant represented the Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray group. Supriya Sule participated as a representative of the Chandra Pawar faction within the Nationalist Congress Party. Vidya, in fact, is getting us more details. Vidya, in the past as well, the opposition has been raising questions as to how the Home Minister could make statements, predicting that the stock market would crash through the roof, really. And this is something that requires detailed investigation. They're going to take this matter up formally now with the SEBI.
I'm right now outside the office of the SEBI headquarters at Bandra-Kurla complex, and this is where the TMC delegation will be coming here around 11 o'clock. Though they have tried to take an appointment with the SEBI chief, but they have got no really response from the SEBI chief, and that's one of the reasons why we really have to see as to what really happens. But certainly they are here to talk and ask for an inquiry and investigation into this entire issue. Of course, they are also trying to draw a consensus amongst the opposition leaders, and which is the reason why the delegation was just before they'll be reaching here. A few minutes, an hour or so back, they were at the NCP chief, Sharad Pawar residence, Silver Oak, where they actually spoke to the NCP leaders. Supriya Sule was there, NCP leader Vidya Chauhan was there, also Shiv Sena UBT MP Arvind Sawant was at this meeting, and during their entire meeting it was discussed as to how the BJP and the NDA should really be cornered, and in spite of this entire request and the delegation has been making, especially TMC has been making to the government, the government has really paid no heed, and that's one of the reasons why the TMC is trying its best to make sure that
the opposition is in fact holding a meeting right now at Sharad Pawar's residence, and they're going to be approaching the SEBI with a complaint saying that this was a prediction made by Amit Shah and this is manipulation of the stock market and that this needs to be investigated thoroughly.